If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, you are not helping us. Subscribing is absolutely free. You're not paying anything for subscribing. Please subscribe to this channel, okay? Hi lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Ahviworld. We are going to be digressing a little bit today. In this video, I'm going to show you how you could make your own hair at the comfort of your home. Are you abroad? Have you been looking for where to make your hair? Most times you go to this salon, they charge you exorbitant prices. Here I am to show you how you could make your hair in a very simple way, okay? From now on, no more wasting of money on your hair. So join me, let's do it together. First of all, I'm going to cut the hair in parts, okay? I'm using an attachment. I used it just once, okay? I use it to make twisting, so I loosen it out neatly. So that's what I'm going to use today. So I'll go ahead and cut, but while I'm cutting, I'll also be looking at the mirror so that I will see what I'm doing, okay? There are two methods I'm going to use so that I will not be interrupted while making it, like the other hair will not be entering inside. So I'll either use this cap, this net cap to bound the other one, or use the rubber band. So let me see which one I'm going to use. So first of all, I'll cut out the line neatly. What I'm going to make is very big braids, okay? So once you put the comb, the cutting comb on it, don't remove it till you get to the end, okay? So once you get to the end, you try to brush it. You can see how neat the line is. Then this one, I'll pack it like this. Use my rubber band on it. Then also wear my cap on it. So I wouldn't want any particle parts of this side to enter. You can see what I have. So I'm going to split this one into 4 parts. Ensure that it's straight, okay? You can see. So after cutting this on a straight line, the other part that is behind, I'm also going to bound it so that it will not interrupt. Now pick up one of the attachments. I already arranged them down. So I'll go ahead now and fix. Splitting it into 3 parts. See, I'm trying to check if it is neat enough. So once you are done with the bottom side, you're good to go. So just plait it. I don't think I want to finish this. I just want to make it half. Once I pass where my hair is, I will leave it, or I will tie it there. So I'm going to take one of it and use it to just tie it. I'll go over to the next one. You are welcome once more to this channel. Have you been watching these videos, my videos, without subscribing? Please do well to subscribe. Subscribing is absolutely free. You're not paying for subscribing. Subscribe to support us, okay? So that when we are uploading video, when we are recording video, when we remember that we have people who are watching, we will be happy, okay? Please subscribe. God bless you as you do that today. God bless you. Love you. So you can see I'm done with the first line. I made just 3 from here, okay? So the next one, I'm going to cut now. Like I said earlier on, once you put your comb, don't remove it till you get to the back. So this is the back, then you remove. Then you now straighten it out. You can see it's looking very straight. If you see some part that is not straight, just try to straighten it out. The line is easier to correct when it's at the front than when it's at the back. So that's why I said once you put your comb, once you put your comb, you don't remove till you get to the back, so that you will not, because you don't have eyes at the back, of course, to see. Okay, so you can see, I believe that is very straight now. First of all, you pack. This is how far I have gone. Progressing. Yay, I'm done with it. Unbelievable. I think it took me roughly 2 hours. 2 hours. That was because I wasn't concentrating. I stopped by to go and eat, do some things, but at least let's just say approximately 2 hours. You see? So I was able to save some money. Looks nice, right? I'm thinking of trimming it just a little bit. Trim it up. Trim off this excess. You know, when you are cutting, you need to slant it like this so that the mark will remain sharp, okay? It's nice. I'm done. How do I look? Beautiful, beautiful girl.
This is Ahviworld. This is Ahviworld.
Can you see how nice it's looking? I was able to save some money. It wouldn't have been better than this. Highest the same thing, or maybe a little difference, but I was able to make it for myself. I'm so happy. Oh, I can rock my hair. It looks like weave on, right? It looks like wig cap. You can see the lines. They're so straight. So if you have any old attachment that you have used maybe once or twice, please don't throw it away. You can make something like this out of it, and it looks so great. It looks amazing. The way I trimmed it is so nice. Wow. Stay tuned for more videos till I come your way again next time. I remain Ahviworld. Bye.